Securing your phone's data against spyware and data leaks is something to take precautions against. While you may already use a secure password, two-factor authentication, and hide sensitive notification information from your lock screen, you may have missed a few settings to make your device as private as possible. Here's what you can look for on your modern Android phone. To start, you'll want to opt out of Google's telemetry and ad personalization services. On your phone, open your Settings app, then select the Google menu. Tap on the triple dotted icon at the top right, and select Usage and Diagnostics. Toggle the setting off to opt out of sending diagnostics, device, and app usage data to Google. Tap back to your Google menu, then tap on Ads. Toggle on Opt out of ad personalization to prevent apps from showing you personalized ads. To keep your location more private, you'll want to turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning, which allows your phone to use your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth systems even when you turn them off. In your Settings app, select your location menu and toggle off both settings. If you use a Samsung phone, it may be under a submenu labeled Improve Accuracy. For something specific to Samsung phones, you'll want to toggle off nearby device scanning as well. Select Connections under your Settings menu, then tap on More Connection Settings to find the option. If you want to change your DNS settings, tap on Private DNS and select Private DNS Provider Hostname. From here, you can enter your DNS host of choice. For example, to use Google's public DNS server, type in dns.google. On non-Samsung phones, you can generally find this under your Network and Internet menu in Settings. To access this next thing, you'll need to access the Developer Options menu on your phone. Open your phone's settings, then scroll down and tap Developer Options. If you don't see this menu, go to About Phone, then to Software Information. Tap on the selection labeled Build Number several times to enable Developer Options. From the Developer Options menu, scroll and select the option labeled Quick Settings Developer Tiles. From here, you can enable a tile called Sensors Off, which will disable your camera, microphone, GPS, and any other sensor at the tap of a quick settings tile. If you want the feature on hand, toggle it on and tap back to your phone's settings menu. Once toggled on, you'll be able to add the tile in from your quick settings menu. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Android and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of the videos we think you might enjoy.